The most powerful heavy truck from China has landed in New Zealand, the Sitrak C9H. With 660 horsepower and a tech-heavy spec, it's taking on the toughest end of the market by offering real value for money. In the past, numerous Chinese brands have tried to find their place in the New Zealand market. Still, only a few have vied for the position in the heavy truck segment, where operators are generally more brand loyal and expect high levels of operational performance from their trucks and support from their dealers. However, the rate of progress amongst these new Chinese offerings has been significant. Contractors of Takaka has put this new 660 horsepower Sitrak C9H on its regular early morning Christchurch-Blenheim freight run. With a 54-tonne permit, if there's a run that will prove the truck is up to the task, this will be it. Driver Barry Head departs Christchurch at 2 a.m. each day, loaded with general freight for Blenheim, and returns with a load of bulk bag salt from the Dominion Salt Works at Lake Grasmere between Seddon and Ward. The C9H is Sitrak's high-output Euro 6 offering. Its 485 kilowatts, 660 horsepower and 3200 newton meters of torque comes courtesy of the 15.3-litre Weichai engine. For those unfamiliar with the name, Weichai can be thought of as China's home brand Cummins, a local manufacturer of diesel engines for all manner of vehicles and machinery. Most local operators here, however, will be familiar with the ZF12TX 12-speed AMT transmission featuring a ZF retarder. The C9H rides on 8-bag air suspension at the rear and 3-leaf parabolic springs up front. It tears in at 9,500 kgs and is rated to 25,000 kgs GVM and 90,000 kgs GCM. The C9H is currently only available as a 6x4 tractor unit. However, Business Development Manager Robbie Paisley at Modern Transport Group, the Sitrak New Zealand importer and distributor, says an 8x4 tractor is currently in development. The real challenge of Barry's run is the Hundalee Hills separating Cheviot and Kaikoura. It definitely has more grunt than my old 600 horsepower V8 Actros. You can feel it alright, Barry says, adding that the Sitrak tackles the Hundalees a gear up on the old 600 Merc all round. The Weichai ZF combination is well calibrated to keep the driveline and the meat of the torque band at all times. Barry's always driven with the transmission in manual mode, except when climbing the tight northern section of the Hundalees. In auto, it'll grab 2 gears at once, whereas it won't let him do this in manual. You don't muck around with this sort of road, all of a sudden you're going to be stopping, he says. The 5-stage retarder and 2-stage engine brake can be operated individually, a nifty feature giving the driver added levels of control. It pulls up real well. The retarder and the engine brake together are really good, comments Barry. The C9H also rides just about as comfortably as any Euro competitor, and it's about as quiet as well at an average of 71 decibels. The standard driver aids includes a full suite of electronic safety systems, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and excellent LED headlights. Barry reckons the cruise control programming could do with some refinement as it disengages if he shifts gear and if the transmission shifts itself into auto roll. The C9H definitely has more a European appearance and is identified by its big C-shaped headlight units and wide tall grille that features an intricate diamond pattern and lashings of chrome. But it's the interior that changes any previous ideas of Chinese trucks. It looks thoroughly modern, seems solidly constructed, and everything feels nice to the touch. It's not Scania levels of premium, but it's not meant to be. We truly think many operators are going to be pleasantly surprised. Adding to its value offering are features like heated and ventilated ISRI seats, a multifunction information display and touchscreen multimedia system, a quad-angle camera system, loads of storage space, a 785mm bunk, fridge freezer and roof-mounted aircon unit. The electronic climate control, drive selector and park and trailer brakes are all physical, and there are also buttons for critical driving functions, ones that the driver shouldn't really be stabbing at the touchscreen to find. The C9H certainly places Sitrak right on par with the market in terms of its on-road performance, interior environment and comfort, features and technology. And in these early days, Barry's unit is already consuming fuel at a rate of just 2 km per litre, which is a good indication of its expected efficiencies. Backing from the Sitrak agent here in New Zealand, Modern Transport Group will be key to its success here. But with the company's depth of knowledge and investment within the New Zealand transport industry, there would be few out there better placed to do just that. As a high-power, premium-level truck at a mid-range price, the C9H will surely make a very tempting option for many Kiwi operators who are paying attention. To read the full story on the new C9H Sitrak 6x4 tractor unit for Solly's Contractors of Takaka, then catch a copy of the February 2026 issue of New Zealand Trucking Magazine, or subscribe to the digital platform and view the entire feature there. See the links below. Also remember to hit those thumbs up and subscribe buttons right now to be notified of fresh content as we upload it for you. From all of us here at New Zealand Trucking Media, thanks for watching, have a fantastic month out there and travel safe.